Tired of Access Bank's transfer limit cramping your financial style? Let's break free. First, open your Access Bank mobile app and log in using your preferred method, whether it's your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed for the smoothest experience. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it. From the menu options, scroll through and find either Settings or Profile. Tap to open the Settings or Profile section. Within the Settings or Profile section, you should find an option labeled Transaction Limits or Transfer Limits. Select this option. Here, you'll see your current transfer limits. Now, to increase them, look for an option that says something like Increase Limit or Modify Limits. Tap on it. Depending on your app's security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity using an OTP sent to your registered phone number, your fingerprint, or your PIN. After successful verification, you should see a confirmation message and the updated transfer limits reflected on the screen. Now you can enjoy higher transfer limits and say goodbye to those frustrating transaction blocks.